Hi everyone, today, we are unboxing Amazon Basics Lightweight Mini Tripod. Let me mention that if you are looking for something good and quality product, this is for you. This mini tripod makes it easy to take timed shots. You can even use the tripod to effortlessly position a webcam on your desk. It is great for video streaming important business calls, creating product demos, video blogging, or simply catching up with family and friends. The mini tripod accommodates webcams, digital cameras, GoPro devices, and other imaging devices, as well as smartphone adapters. It is small and lightweight for travel. It has mini ball head for 360-degree rotation and 90-degree tilt. Get just the right angle in one smooth move. That is, simply turn and tighten the screw will do the job. Extend the legs for the height of the tripod as needed. The mini tripod's 3 sturdy legs angle outward for maximum stability and feature rubber feet for skid-proof placement on any surface. Thanks to its small size and lightweight design, the mini tripod comes in handy when traveling. When not in use, the mini tripod's legs close together for compact storage. Whether it's business travel, outdoor adventures, or family trips, the Amazon Basics mini tripod makes for a must-have, take-along accessory. The quality-wise, this product is superb, and look-wise also very classy as well. It will make your work done in a sophisticated manner. Very handheld, very strong, made of good quality material, functioning perfectly, job done.